Alrighty, here are all our guns. The easiest questions, if you get it wrong, you'll be shot by these two, the M4 and the shotgun. And for the medium questions, you'll be shot at by this pistol and this full auto. And for the hardest question, you'll be shot by this pistol.
All right, CJ_M's, what kind of question would you like? Easy, medium, or hard?
Medium.
All right, for your question, name all the United States branches.
Marines, Army, Space Force, Coast Guard, Air Force, Navy.
That's it. All right, you passed. Excuse me, sir. What's the difficulty of your question?
Hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, for your question, what's the most caught fish in the world?
Stop.
Answer.
Come on.
Incorrect. Shoot him. It was bass.
Hey, what question do you want, Red Rover?
Hard.
Ah. All right. Here's your question. What was my favorite video filming with you?
Oh my.
Ooh, he's deep in thought.
Yeah.
He's thinking about every single video we've ever made.
Was there like 100?
It was one of our smoothest videos.
Is it recent?
So yeah.
Was it the one when someone takes your care package?
Correct.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. What difficulty do you want your trivia?
I'm feeling dangerous. I want to go easy.
Oh. Who is on the $5 bill?
Oh, this is so hard. I have no clue. George Washington. Just kidding. Abe Lincoln, my boy.
All right, you're correct. Excuse me, sir. What difficulty do you want it?
Let's go. Hard.
Hard.
Medium.
Medium.
It's only gonna be Look. I'm just kidding.
That's not medium. That's hard. This is a fully automatic, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna put it on semi.
So we'll put it on semi. All right, you better get this question right.
It's not medium.
You have the question?
Not yet.
Okay. Fast forward to when he does. All right, we have it.
Alrighty. So, this is more of a personal question. How many subscribers do I have on YouTube?
He doesn't know. And he's his own brother.
He has no clue.
You've been in his videos.
You're the one who normally records. Come on, buddy boy.
Me.
What?
You never tell me.
Is that your answer? You don't know?
No.
Well, then you gotta guess.
Oh my gosh. Just
Come on.
answer.
Just guess.
Answer, bro. Broski.
97.
Oh my gosh, you
Oh
were
my gosh,
one off.
one away.
Oh, that doesn't hurt.
I would like to pick easy.
Oh, easy. All right. Since you picked easy, who won the Super Bowl
What year?
this year?
Chiefs.
Correct.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. What difficulty do you want your trivia to be?
Hard.
Hard.
Hard?
Oh, yeah.
All right. It's a little bit of a hard one for him. Who is the best dirt bike rider to ever ride?
No, Tomac.
Incorrect. Ricky Carmichael.
Oh, we got him down. He actually fell.
Way more than the full auto.
Show him the...
Right there's where
Hey, yo, browskis.
Medium.
Okay. All right, Red Rover. Your next question is, what shape is a stop sign?
Hexagon.
Incorrect. It's an octagon.
If you guys like and subscribe, I will literally be hit by that thing 3 times. All right, did you guys like and subscribe? I don't know. Did you? Did they?
I hope they did.
If they did, we'll find out in a minute. If I have 1 subscriber, let me go check my channel, then I'll get spread that. I have 1,000. Okay, crap. And thank you guys so much for that. It means the world. I literally ran around my house yelling Cristiano Ronaldo Suey like 8 times. It means the world, and I'll be making so many videos like this. So let's go. I don't want to get shot in the back.
Are you ready?
Yes and no.
All right, it's time. But I'm going to go on full auto.
No.
I'm going to shoot you 3 times. Don't worry. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I missed one.
Well, you didn't.
Okay, fine.
Wait.
All right, he wanted me to shoot more. You ready?
Yeah. That hit me a little low.
But it's for you guys, and thank you so much.
But you just had a pun.
What is your question difficulty?
Well, I want to go with medium, but I want that gun.
Which gun?
And I want it to be on full auto.
We only have 2 more BBs.
Oh, we don't.
BBs. All right.
No, wait. If he gets it wrong, we're going full auto on him. Are you ready? I just gotta get the question. All right, get back a little. All right. Your question is, what is my biggest fear?
Your biggest fear? Heights.
Correct.
Aww.
Give me that. Come on. Here, hold this.
No.
I didn't say you could run away from me. Did I hit you? Well, just fall down. Wait, 3. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
After one more of these, we're gonna be also doing another special. Do you guys know what is empty at the mag?
Oh yes, it's a game I made.
It's where you have a full magazine, and the gun and the magazine are separated, and there's a person trying to run and escape the bullets. It's very hard.
It is.
Here's a full magazine. Let's do magazine.
All right. So here's how you play empty at the magazine. So sit down here and slide. So it says start. So the opponent has to run, and they go back and forth there. But you stand up, run, grab your gun, put it in the mag. It's not a clip. Reload. Then you start shooting. So that's what we're about to do. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Ha! Ooh, got one hit. Ooh, that one shot too. Ooh, 3 shots left. Ooh, I watched that one fly and I almost hit you. That went right by your head, dude.
That hit my head.
That was insane.
Yeah.
Alright. So he only ended up with 2 hits.
Nice.
And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm going to give it to the count of 10. To like and subscribe before I pump your guts full of plastic. 1, 2, 10. Ah, ha, ha, ha.